Peppa and her family are out in the car. But they're having a bit of trouble.
Oh dear, the car won't start.
You've broken down. Don't worry, I'll take you to the garage. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Mr. Bull is towing the car away to be fixed. George and Peppa like being towed.
Aha! Oh dear, I see. Well, we can fix it.
Oh, good.
But we'll have to order a new part. It won't be easy or cheap.
Oh, dear. How long will it take?
It will take as long as it takes.
But how will I get to work?
There's lots of cars you can use while yours is being fixed. Follow me.
There's lots of spare cars at the garage.
Pick any one you like.
A motorbike. This is perfect. Let's take it for a test drive.
Daddy Pig likes riding the motorbike.
Hello.
But motorbikes don't keep you dry in the rain.
Maybe we need something a bit tougher.
Let's try this.
Peppa has found a monster truck, which is very tough.
I think a monster truck might be a bit too tough for what we need.
Sorry. What about something nice and spacious, like this bus?
Mummy Pig likes the bus very much.
It's ever so roomy and peaceful. Oh, dear.
But everyone thinks it's a real bus. There's only one car left for Peppa and her family to try.
It's a bit smelly.
That's because it's my lorry for collecting the recycling. So you can't take that one, I'm afraid.
I'm not sure we'll ever find a car as perfect as our car.
Well, that's lucky. You took so long to pick a new car that we managed to fix your old one.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mr. Bull. Thank you, Grandad Dog.
Peppa's family like driving different cars, but they like driving their family car most of all.
Watch out!
Today, Peppa and her friends are at the water park.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Before you all go swimming, I have some important rules to teach you.
Miss Rabbit is telling everyone how to be safe in the swimming pool.
The first rule is no splashing.
No splashing, Mr. Bull.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's okay, Mr. Bull. The second rule is no running.
Silly Mr. Bull. No running.
Sorry again.
Mr. Bull doesn't know any of the rules.
And the last rule is everyone must have a simply splendid time.
Oh!
Have a splendid time, Mr. Bull.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Right you are, Peppa.
Enjoy the pool, everyone.
What shall we do first? Let's go on the water slide. Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to ride the water slides.
Hello again. Who wants to go down the slide?
Me!
Well, you're in luck. There is one slide for each of you.
Let's have a race.
Good idea. Lucky I brought my flag. On your marks, get set, go! and Danny Dog zooms into the lead, followed by Peppa. Then it's Gerald Giraffe and Susie Sheep coming up behind. It's incredibly close. Water slide racing at its best.
Hello, Granny. Hello, Mr. Bull.
Oh!
They're nearly at the finish line. It's neck and neck. Who will come out on top? It's a draw. Everybody wins.
Peppa and her friends love the slides, but they have forgotten the first rule of the water park.
No splashing!
Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting. I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage. Whoa.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald.
Ah, this must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse
me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Oh dear. There.
Today, Peppa has found a video of when she was a baby.
I was a very loud baby, wasn't I, Daddy?
Ho ho. Yes, all babies are sometimes.
Gosh, that must have been when I was pregnant with George.
Pregnant? What does that mean?
That means he was still in my tummy.
Oh, I have an idea.
What are you doing, Peppa?
Look, now there's a baby in my tummy too. Ooh!
Very good, Peppa.
Now, what do people with babies in their tummies do?
I used to get lots of funny cravings, which are when you really want to eat certain foods. Yum.
Peppa has decided she has a craving too.
I really want to eat
Oh.
spaghetti!
Peppa thinks cravings are delicious.
Ah, that was very yummy.
What else happens when you have a baby in your tummy, Mummy?
Well, I'd get tired a lot, so kind people would offer me their seat so I could sit down when I needed it.
Hello, Peppa.
I have a baby in my tummy and I'm very tired. So you need to give me your chair, please, Daddy.
Gosh. Righto, here you go. Hup.
Whee!
And sometimes my feet would hurt, so Daddy Pig would give me foot rubs.
Peppa likes the sound of foot rubs.
Daddy, my feet are hurting, so I need to have a foot rub, please.
Well, not a moment to lose. A little here and a little...
Daddy Pig's foot rubs are more like foot tickles.
There's one more thing that happened when Mummy Pig was pregnant.
What was it?
Eventually, a baby came.
Auntie Pig has brought baby Alexander for a visit.
Hi, baby Alexander. I was pretending I had a baby in my tummy. But now we can pretend that you're my baby. Real babies are quite noisy, actually. So I think I'll keep my cushion instead.
Oh.
Phew!
Wow! Oh, goody! What's this?
Today is Arts and Crafts Day at Peppa's playgroup.
I have many fun arts and crafts planned for today. First is painting.
Ooh, but where are the brushes?
They're right here.
No one is sure what Madame Gazelle means.
Where? I don't see anything.
We're doing finger painting. Instead of brushes, you paint with your hands.
Hooray!
Peppa and her playgroup are enjoying making their finger paintings.
A lovely flower, Peppa.
Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
What a wonderful butterfly, Susie.
Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
Oh, and Danny, that's a marvelous paddle. Thank you, Madame Gazelle.
Danny is jumping in his painting just like a real muddy puddle.
Brilliant idea, Danny. We'll do face painting next.
Everyone is getting their face painted. Susie is a butterfly. Danny is a zebra. Freddie and Emily are a tiger and a fish. And Peppa is green.
I'm green.
Oh! That gives me a fantastic idea.
Madame Gazelle has brought over a big canvas with tape on it.
What's that, Madame Gazelle?
Why, it's a beautiful picture, of course. But I don't see a picture. That's because it's not finished. Each of you take a bottle of paint and splatter as much as you like onto this canvas. Well done, children. Get messy, have fun. Try not to spill on the floor.
Everyone is having lots of fun painting on the big canvas.
It's beautiful. I love it.
Me too. But I still don't see a picture.
Aha! You will soon, Peppa.
Madame Gazelle is taking the tape off the canvas. The tape has made the painting into the shape of A star! Peppa loves the lovely star, and Peppa loves Arts and Crafts Day.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Peppa.
Mummy Pig is dropping Peppa off at playgroup. But Mummy Pig is also looking after baby Alexander.
Ooh, my. Mind if I clean up Alexander's smelly nappy before I go, Madame Gazelle? I insist.
Oh, can we help clean him up? Please!
OK. Can you pass me the nappy cream from the changing bag and a fresh nappy?
Everyone likes helping Mummy Pig change baby Alexander's nappy.
There, fresh as a daisy.
Can baby Alexander play with us? Please!
Well, I don't see why not.
Hooray!
Peppa is showing baby Alexander all her favourite bits of the playgroup.
These are the books.
Baby Alexander likes all the books.
This is the whole world.
And he enjoys spinning the globe.
And this is Madame Gazelle.
Bonjour, little Alexander. Oh!
But he likes Madame Gazelle most of all.
Perhaps it is time for some painting.
Everyone is painting pictures of themselves, called self-portraits.
I'm Peppa Paint. Hello.
Hi, Peppa. I'm Freddy.
I'm Susie.
And I'm Gerald.
Well done, baby Alexander. It looks like a tasty apple.
Baby Alexander's painting has reminded Peppa that it's time for lunch. It's baby Alexander's lunchtime too. He's eating special food for babies.
Here comes the train, Alexander. Choo-choo.
Is baby Alexander's food nice, Mummy?
He thinks so. Oh, my. Mind if I clean Alexander up again before we head off? I insist.
I'll get the bag.
Let's go.
Everyone loves having baby Alexander at playgroup.
That car went really fast.
Don't worry, this is why it's very important to stop, look, listen, and always wait for the green man before crossing the road.
The Green Man!
Remember what we learned, children?
Stop, look, and listen. All clear, no cars.
Let's go. It's safe to cross now. Peppa and her playgroup are learning about road safety today.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Peppa. Peppa's playgroup.
Hello, Daddy Pig.
Oh, green light. Well, see you later, Peppa.
Thank you for helping us, Police Officer Panda.
All in a day's work. Peppa is helping Police Officer Panda make sure everyone follows road safety rules.
No. Emily, you need to stay on your side of the road. Sorry, Peppa. My wheel is stuck. We'll come help you. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. We're keeping the road safe for cars and people.
Pedro hasn't noticed that Green Man has turned to red.
Pedro, the red man means don't walk.
Thanks, Peppa.
All in a day's work. Wait a minute. Freddy is dressed as a robber.
We have to catch the robber.
We
light means stop.
There he goes.
Now we've got him. Freddie, are you dressed as a robber because you are a robber?
No, I just like stripes.
Oh, so you're not a robber?
Nope.
Oh, well, you can go then, but not so fast.
OK. Bye, Peppa. Ooh!
Great work, Officer Pepper. Everyone is remembering to stop, look, and listen, and only walk when they see...
The Green Man!
That means we can go. All in a day's work, Officer Panda.
Peppa loves keeping everyone safe, and everyone loves feeling safe. It's Valentine's Day. Peppa and George are making a special dinner for Mummy and Daddy Pig. Grandpa Pig is helping.
My goodness!
We're making special Valentine's Day pizzas, Granny Pig.
Because Valentine's Day is all about showing others that you love them.
I know! We can make the pizzas heart-shaped.
Now, we toss the dough up into the air, just like they do in Roma. That's a place in Italy, you know. Aha! Whoops!
Just like in Roma.
Uh-oh. Oh.
We can cover the lumpy bits with some vegetables from the garden.
Mummy and Daddy Pig are not sure what's going on. Peppa and George are collecting vegetables.
The pizzas are going to have lots of toppings.
Let's take the vegetables inside.
Peppa and George add vegetables to their pizza.
I know how to make the pizzas even more special. We can add Mummy and Daddy Pig's favourite foods.
Good idea, Peppa. What are their favourite foods?
Spaghetti and chocolate cake. Yay! We should make the pizzas look like Mummy and Daddy.
Peppa and George make faces with the pizza toppings.
Now they're really special. Oh, George. Here are your extra special Valentine's Day pizzas.
Chocolate cake? My favourite!
Dinosaur.
A spaghetti dinosaur. Thank you, Peppa and George.
They look too good to eat.
Mummy and Daddy Pig think their Valentine pizzas are very special indeed. Peppa and her friends are at the cinema. They've just watched a film called Vegetables in Space too.
Don't worry, Pedro. I'll save you.
Everyone enjoyed the film so much, they're pretending they are in it.
Oh. Would you like to play Vegetables in Space at my house?
Yes,
please.
Everyone is very excited to get dressed up for the game. Pedro Pony is an astronaut. Susie Sheep is a robot. Gerald Giraffe is an alien. And Peppa is a space hero.
Let's go outside and pretend we're on the moon. Hooray! Follow me. Pew, pew.
Peppa and her friends are imagining they're on the moon, just like in the film. Everyone has lots of fun pretending to float on the moon.
Woohoo!
Oh, good idea, Gerald. We can use the rocket cars to drive around.
Oh dear. There aren't enough rocket cars for everyone.
Do you want to ride on my car, Susie?
Susie is pretending her boots are rocket boots. Now everyone has a fun way to explore the moon.
Beep, beep,
What are we looking for on the moon?
Beep. The only thing on the moon is the moon. Beep. Papa. The moon is made of cheese. So maybe we can find some for lunch.
Of course. What was that?
Was it a moon monster?
No, Peppa. I am your daddy. And I've brought you all some cheese sandwiches for lunch.
Everyone loves pretending to play on the moon, but everyone loves lunchtime even more.
Hello, everyone.
Hello,
Peppa.
Mummy Pig is dropping Peppa off at playgroup, but Mummy Pig is also looking after baby Alexander.
Oh, my. Mind if I clean up Alexander's smelly nappy before I go, Madam Gazelle? I insist.
Oh, can we help clean him up? Please?
OK. Can you pass me the nappy cream from the changing bag and a fresh nappy?
Everyone likes helping Mummy Pig change baby Alexander's nappy.
There, fresh as a daisy.
Can baby Alexander play with us? Please?
Well, I don't see why not.
Hooray!
Peppa is showing baby Alexander all her favourite bits of the playgroup.
These are the books.
Baby Alexander likes all the books.
This is the whole world.
And he enjoys spinning the globe.
And this is Madame Gazelle.
Bonjour, little Alexander. Oh!
But he likes Madame Gazelle most of all.
Perhaps it is time for some painting.
Everyone is painting pictures of themselves, called self-portraits.
I'm Peppa Paint. Hello.
Hi, Peppa. I'm Freddy.
I'm Susie.
And I'm Gerald.
Well done, baby Alexander. It looks like a tasty apple.
Baby Alexander's painting has reminded Peppa that it's time for lunch. It's baby Alexander's lunchtime too. He's eating special food for babies.
Here comes the train, Alexander. Choo-choo.
Is baby Alexander's food nice, Mummy?
He thinks so. Oh, my. Mind if I clean Alexander up again before we head off? I insist.
I'll get the bag.
Let's go!
Everyone loves having baby Alexander at playgroup, and baby Alexander loves visiting.
Whoa!
Today, Peppa and her playgroup are on a trip to a bug museum.
Follow me, everyone.
Oh. Squeak! Big bugs!
This room is all about ants. It even has some big robotic ants to look at.
Don't worry, it's not a real ant. It's a big robot.
Ooh, I love robots. Whoa!
Ants work together as a team to bring food to their queen. Would you like to try being ants?
Can I be the queen? Yes! Yay! Yay!
Peppa's friends are racing against the ants. They have to get the foam leaf to Queen Peppa.
Whee! Yes! Hooray!
Well done, everyone. You worked as a team, just like ants.
Ah!
This room is all about bees. It even has bee costumes for dressing up.
You look the bee's knees. Can you find your way through the beehive like real bees?
Bzz, bzz.
Well, go.
Everyone loves being bees, but the beehive is very confusing. They're lost.
Bees follow the sun to find their way.
Buzz! We can follow the sun too.
Everyone is following the sun to find their way, just like real bees.
Beautiful work, everyone.
The last room has something very special inside.
Squeak! It's so pretty.
But nobody knows what it is.
Inside is something very colourful.
Is it a parrot?
Quack!
It has big wings
Or a dragon? Roar!
and it used to be a caterpillar. It's a
Butterfly!
Peppa and her friends love learning about all the bugs at the Big Bug Museum.